Hey JR, how you doing? Why are we here today?
Well, we're going to do some flight demos. We've got grandstands set up over here, and the demos are for the schools that are on the property. We've got two of them. To my right, that building back there is part of the high school, and at the other end of the airport, where the entrance is one for, I guess it's a junior high, you consider that. But they're all based in flight technology and flight training, stuff like that. Once again, we're here at Flabob Airport for the day, or for the morning anyway. See what kind of trouble we can get into.
So this is the airplane I fly. I actually work for the company that makes this. I'm their product support tech and one of their product managers. So the airplane's about 80-inch wingspan, about 85 inches long, weighs about 25 pounds, and has a very large motor that allows us to do some great aerobatics for you guys.
Does it have turbo? What about that one?
No turbo.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost? About $5,000.
I can buy that.
Well, then go buy one, buddy. I'll sell you one later.
I want to buy one too.
So
I can buy two.
it's got a big gasoline engine in the front. It has a big, large carbon fiber propeller, and we're gonna fly it for you guys here in a little bit and show you guys what it'll do.
Is it motorized?
No, it's got a big gas engine in it. It's got like a 120 cc, like a motorcycle engine. Yeah, what's up?
Is that a CO2 on the helicopter?
No, that's a big muffler. That would be for Bert to answer. You guys got any helicopter questions for Bert?
I'm Bert.
Hello.
This is a 700 millimeter size helicopter. This is a remote control helicopter.
How much does it cost?
Questions already.
How much does it cost? How
This all by itself would sit at about $2,500.
Okay.
Yep.
1,500?
Yep.
What's made it on the wing? What about that one?
What's it made of? So this is mostly by a material called carbon fiber. You guys will learn about it later.
Carbon dioxide.
It's very light, it's very stiff, and the rest of the parts
It
are
allows it to
aluminum.
glide smoothly through the air.
What's that?
It allows it to glide smoothly through the air.
That's right. It makes it really light. So, because helicopters need to be very light to fly. So this one's battery operated, and that one is gas powered. And you'll see this later on in the flights today. So enjoy.
Would they all be?
RC jet. It runs on jet fuel. I grew up coming to events like this and I love them. I started flying real airplanes on my mom's lap, and I'm a certified flight instructor. I fly aircraft, rotorcraft, fixed wing, seaplanes. I own my own private jet, and I travel around the country flying RC airplanes. So I'll give you the best little show I can, and when you like something you see, yell, and I'll try to do it again.
All right, thank you, Michael.
Yes, sir.
Is that one of you guys' plane?
It is not, but it looks like it, right? And you in the back, young man.
What if you race that one, the rebel map, this one, and the helicopter?
You know what? It just depends how fast everybody's trying to go, but I would guess that the jet would destroy them.
Yeah, the jet would. I can push this probably about 125, 130 miles an hour. It's more for aerobatics, as you'll see a little bit. The jet's for aerobatics and speed.
Sure.
I think you're good. You're clear.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's make this one a quick one.
We're flying an electric helicopter. You'll also see a nitro fuel-based helicopter. This is full acrobatic.
Cool. Guys, you'll be on YouTube. Yay.
We're on YouTube.
You'll be on YouTube, yep. Okay, cool.
I want you to. We're on YouTube.
You're on YouTube.
All right, settle down. My name is JR. I'm president of the England Soaring Society. That's a club. And we fly soaring planes, big 15-foot wingspans with no motors. Okay? We usually launch them with a winch, get them up about 300 feet, and they fly by themselves. And we look for thermals up there.
What about the ones over there?
What about them?
Will we be able to fly those ones?
Would you be able to fly those ones? Well, some of those are pretty expensive. So that's the deal. Now,
I'm sure those
while we do fly gliders, we also fly electrics. Okay, we have a lot of electric planes.
Worldwide was started here at this airport. And that bill is dedicated to man that started that bill. So there's a lot of history, designers and everything here. Everyone thinks of Cheeto Airport, the other airport. But this airport, 1925, it's had a lot of champions and stuff coming out. But Nina's walking down this way right now, and she will be...
Hey, Jimmy. Okay.
Where I get it has it together. Perfect.
Only in Riverside, California, can you see something like that.
What happens to stability as the CG shifts outward? What happens to your stall speed?
Increases.
But the recoverability, because you're shortening the CG to the center of mass, gets tighter, so it will spin and not come out.
So that's like an actual, my bad, I didn't want to say, that's like an actual jet engine.
If you look up the tail end, you'll see the turbine wheel and the exhaust goes. It's best to look at it from there. We're going to keep a little distance between you guys and the plane, but if you walk around the back and look up the tail end, you'll see the turbine. It puts out 26 Newton meters of thrust, or the equivalent of about 46 pounds, I believe. I don't know the math.
I can see it from here.
But it has enough power.
Richie, you're in the way.
Richie, get out of the way!
Richie, you're in the way!
You're in the shot.
Where the cars are still coming. Hey, you guys, come over here.
Is this still going on YouTube?
Oh yeah, all of it is.
Yeah!
All of it. All of it. All of it. You're all gonna be on there.
Power rate zero! Power rate zero!
Cool.
Where's my Kulan? This is sponsored by Flabob Airport!
It is.
Sponsored by Flabob Airport!
Yeah, Flabob.
And the event today, can you just tell me a little bit about how it came about and what it was like to do with the kids and everything?
So yes, the event came about. I am with the Tom Wathen Center, and the Tom Wathen Center owns and operates Flabob Airport. And we believe in inspiration through aviation, and so this would just be another avenue into inspiration through aviation, starting out with remote control airplanes. So we like to bring kids in from a very young age, all the way elementary school, take them all the way through college. We have a junior high school out here. We have a college on campus, so this is just another way to bring kids into aviation.
And to double check with the center, what's your title with them?
I'm the director of youth programs.
Okay, so seeing these kids out here today, what was it like for you and what do you hope they take away from it?
My goodness, I just love having the kids out here. You know, I mean, this is the things that we look forward to every single day. And just having them here, we just want to inspire them. We want them to be part of aviation. They don't have to be a pilot. There's so many different directions that you can go through aviation, and that's just what we want to do, inspire the kids to be part of aviation.
Awesome. And I heard this is an annual thing that you guys have going on?
This is the 4th year that we've done it, and we're looking to continue it in the future.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, thank you for coming. Thank you for being part of this.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Got a close-up look at the world of aviation. Flabob Airport put on a workshop for grades 6 through 12 and college students, including demonstrations of remote-controlled aircraft.
We believe in inspiration through aviation, and so this would just be another avenue into inspiration through aviation, starting out with remote control airplanes. So we like to bring kids in from a very young age, all the way elementary school, take them all the way through college.
Flabob also holds air academies each year, one for middle school students and another for high schoolers.